Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Django series. So we've handled the login, the logout, the authentication to make sure and control that and restrict the pages. So now we have a polling page. So before we can take a poll, we got to figure out where to put it, right? So we know we have the database, but there is one step we need to do first. We need to allow the admin to see we need to connect the admin with the actual database. And it's quite interesting and actually quite simple. So where we are is we're at our Django projects, then inside my site. Then now we're dealing with the polls app, right? All right. So we're going to the admin page. So this is where we are. We need to pull up admin. Let's move this over here. All right. And it's literally this simple. All right. So it's from .models import. So what model did we make? What are we wanting to touch? What database is this? Country. Import country. Now we brought this in. Now we need to register it. That's what we're actually doing. So it's admin.site.register. Make sure I spell this right, and then just country. So let's see where we are. Right here. Nothing. Let me save it. Bring this. Refresh it. Boom. Here's your database. Alright. I was testing. Delete. Yes, I'm sure. Alright. So now you can also go through and on the admin side, add this to it. But next video, we're going to be taking in, we need to connect the little bit of foreshadowing. We need to connect the two of these and go forward. But this is how, oops, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to go here. So, all right, we need to put a submit button, and then we need to link these two together. But that is how you get to the part of, let's go admin. There we go. So you begin to see the visibility of it. And it was this simple with bring in your model and then register it with the admin. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. So as always, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.